guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to try some of the new makeup products I have recently bought. So there are 2 or 3 products which already I had and I will be using those as well. So before starting with the makeup, let's do a skincare first. This is the deep exfoliating peel off. So this is how the tube looks like. I haven't used this before. This will be the first time I will be using it, and it's an exfoliating peel off. So let's just try this one out. I'm taking this much. I hope this will be enough. And I'm going to scrub my face. They have recommended to massage this on your skin for 30 seconds. It has been 30 seconds. So now I'm going to wash my face. So guys, this is how my face is looking. It definitely looks more clean and fresh. I can see a little bit of glow, but yeah, it definitely feels smooth as well and soft. So yeah, that was about the first impression. Let's move on to the makeup. I have this Galactic Skin Body Shimmer. It's a body illuminator. So I am going to use it on my neck as well as a little bit on my face for that illuminating glow. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a pump. So I'm taking one pump. Let's just apply it. It's a little bit dark for my face. Next, I am going to apply this new concealer by Sugar. I mean, this shade is new, not the product. I have the shade number 30, which is for my highlighting concealer. So I went with the shade number 45 and I thought it will match me. I haven't tried this, so let's try it out and see if it matches me or not. I think it's a little bit dark. Yeah, this shade is a little bit dark. But yeah, it's fine. I can use it for concealing my under eyes and the pigmentation around my mouth. So for foundation, I will be using the Shambur Enriched Revitalizing Makeup Longwear Foundation, and I am using the shade 302. Now this shade is definitely one shade darker than me, as you can see, but it's okay. I am going to highlight my under eyes with the different and light concealer. For my highlighting concealer, I do have the shade number 30, but I also bought the shade number 07, which is Vanilla Latte, for my eye primer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix number 7 and 45 for highlighting my under eyes. Just going to take a little bit, not too much, you guys. So next I am going to use the Sugar Powder Play Translucent Powder, and it's a new launch, and this is how the shade looks like. So it's a pure white color, but it's translucent, and you can use it to bake your under eyes or your face, or you can set it with it as well. So now it's time for my brows, and I have this new pack Super Brow Eyebrow Cream. It's not eyebrow pomade, it's a cream eyebrow product, and I have got the shade 03 Walnut Wax, and these retails for ₹625, and you get how much product? I hope they have mentioned it. Yes, 6 gram product. So this is the shade number 03. It has a little bit of brown tone, but the product, I don't know how, this is how it came. So yeah, little disappointed, but yeah, it's fine. So I'm using my favorite Faces Canada eyebrow and mascara brush. Also guys, I have changed up my brow shape a little bit. Let me know if you like this or not. I think the brow shade is perfect. What do you guys think? It's not way too brown. I think it's perfect the way I like it. So now I'm going to dust off my baking powder. So to Today I'm going to skip contouring and bronzing. I am directly going for blush, and I will be using this Jaclyn USA Perfect Glow Powder Blush in the shade Call Me Blush 02. It's a beautiful shade. Next up, for my highlighter, I will be using this PAK Glitz and Glare Shimmer Powder, and I have bought the shade 01 Blink Wink, and I think this shade is so pretty. I have definitely swatched it, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is a little bit of bulky packaging, but this is a loose highlighter, you guys, and I am super excited for this. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is the shade, and it's blendable as well. Oh my god, this is too much. And look at that bang on highlighter, you guys. So now for my eye makeup, let's go for something bright. And first I am going to conceal and prime my eyelids with the concealer. So guys, for my eye makeup, I will be using the Jawbreaker palette. So first I'm taking the shade Gumdrop. This is the shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Oh, by the way, the brush I'm using is Sigma E60 brush. I'm going to blend this shade with the shade Bubblegum, and the brush I'm using is Sigma E40. Using the same shades on my lower lash line, highlighting with the same highlighter. So for my mascara, I'm using the Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara by Forever 52. So for my lipstick, I am going with the shade number 01. This is the Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. Today's makeup look is more of lavender purpley tone. Let me know if you like this look or not. It's just a very effortless look. I hope you guys will like it and enjoy this tutorial. Regarding my lipstick, it is beautiful. The shade is amazing, you guys, and even the eye look is really soft and simple. Nothing too much, just a shade on my crease and lid. That is it. You can definitely create this look. You can tag me and I will definitely repost it if I like it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.